The upcoming iPhone SE4 is expected to be a major departure from previous models, bringing a refreshed design and upgraded internals that align it more closely with Apple's flagship devices. While the launch was initially expected on February 11th, the day passed without an announcement, leaving fans in anticipation. However, it seems that Apple is set to unveil the iPhone SE4 on February 19th, as confirmed by a cryptic post from CEO Tim Cook on X, stating, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." This aligns with earlier predictions by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who initially expected the announcement this week but later revised it. With Apple itself teasing the launch, it's clear there's no delay, just strategic timing. Unlike its predecessors, which borrowed designs from older iPhone models, the iPhone SE4 is set to break tradition by adopting a look inspired by the iPhone 14. However, it will not be an exact replica. It retains a single rear camera, unlike the iPhone 14's dual-lens setup. Another major shift is the removal of the Home button, marking the first time an iPhone SE model will feature an all-screen OLED display with Face ID instead of Touch ID. The most significant upgrade comes in display size, increasing from 4.7 inches to 6.06 inches. The phone is expected to house Apple's A18 chip, the same as in the iPhone 16 series, along with 8 GB of memory. The rear camera setup will include a single 48-megapixel sensor, marking a significant improvement over its predecessor. The inclusion of a USB-C port instead of the aging Lightning connector further modernizes the device. Notably, Apple is also set to introduce its first in-house modem with the SE4, making it the first iPhone to feature Apple's custom-designed connectivity hardware. Leaker Majin Buu has provided a high-quality look at the possible design of the phone, revealing a phone that aligns closely with previous leaks. The images showcase a flat metal frame with rounded corners, a single-lens rear camera, and a notch display. A closer look at the frame also confirms the presence of a customizable action button, replacing the traditional mute switch. While leaks should always be taken with caution, the consistency across multiple sources suggests that this design is likely accurate. Adding to the anticipation, French electronics retailer Boulanger briefly listed a new iPhone SE on its website before removing the page. The placeholder didn't provide specific details, but hinted at an imminent launch. This aligns with reports from Numerama, which noted the listing's premature appearance. However, it remains unclear whether Boulanger had inside information from Apple or was simply preparing for a rumored launch. With no official Apple event announced, the iPhone SE4 is expected to debut via a press release on the Apple Newsroom website. The pricing for the iPhone SE4 is expected to likely stay under $500 in the US.